Welcome to Your House and Home. I'm Jeff Schmidt. Do you want to get your hands on some projects around the house and do it yourself?
I'm Grant Goodeve, and I'll be showing you the very latest on the next-gen home experience.
And I'm Teresa Garrett. Maybe you're planning home improvement that's a bigger challenge and you need some professional help. Well, we have got some great ideas, some effective techniques, and the right people for the job at Your House and Home.
That old world stone look from new world technology, but it still takes the human touch to give it authenticity.
Is there an effective way to create a dramatic and unique change to these once tan walls? Yes, there is.
We're in Seattle, Washington at the job site of the next-gen home experience, where this home is about to be constructed that will allow us a glimpse into the future of home building.
If you live in the city, in an apartment, townhouse, or condo, bring a little low-maintenance green into your life by picking the right urban plants.
Many people like the look of natural stone, but are afraid of the expense. Today we'll show you a new product that allows your home to have the look of natural stone at a fraction of the cost. The product we are using is called Decopierre, which isn't a fake stone. It's actually natural limestone that can be projected and carved onto almost any existing surface. For this house, we'll be transforming an ordinary brick fireplace into a stone masterpiece and adding character to the home's exterior by covering a dull stucco wall with the look of stacked stone.
Good. That's great.
When the Decopierre crew arrives early in the day, the first thing they do is find ways to protect the area.
Outside, Jonathan Musgrave helps prepare the stucco wall.
Well, the first thing we want to do is protect the owner's home, landscaping, windows, and things where we're not going to be putting product.
Sure. Now, what about preparation of the wall?
Well, this is a masonry wall, so it's already been prepared with a masonry, so we'll be able to spray directly on this. What we want to do is inspect for any damage, mildew, moss, rotting, or any of that kind of material that we find, because we don't want to hide that behind natural limestone.
Now that both sites have been prepared, the crew begins projecting the limestone onto the stucco wall and the brick fireplace.
Helping with the installation is Juan. He's a Decopierre dealer. Hi, Juan.
Hello.
Hi. Now, explain to me a little bit, what's the advantage, let's say time-wise, over quarried stone?
Okay, a fireplace about this size, maybe 125 square feet, versus quarried stone, we could do this in one day. Quarried stone, about 2 days.
Really? And that's from prep work?
From prep to pigment and carve.
Not every home decorator can achieve this level of artistry. The Decopierre dealers are specially trained to help homeowners customize the look they want without spending too much money or time.
The Decopierre process is different and unique simply because it is natural limestone. We're not talking faux stone here. And it's different in that it's projected onto the wall by certified artisans that are trained in the Decopierre facility. And what this does, it allows immense design versatility and choices for the customer.
Before the limestone dries, pigment is added to the stone to give it a natural appearance.
Once the mixture has been applied, the product has to set for about an hour. The crew can then begin the artistic part of the installation. What sort of specialized training do you need to learn how to do this?
Well, Decopierre provides training for its dealers. It's a 5-day training course. And we're taught basically the steps you've seen us go through. The spraying, controlling the sprayer is very important. And then also learning how to stack stones so that I don't have stones carved one on top of the other. I need to know and think like a mason at this point in time. So we carve out the mortar lines of the large blocks. Then we allow some of the roughness in it and the edges to make it look like the stone is rough and tumbled before it's installed here.
Now, when it was applied, there was a lighter color. There's a darker color on here now. Is that just a regular latex paint? Or?
Well, what we've done is underneath we spray our first base, which becomes actually our mortar color line, you see. And once I carve through the darkened part, now I get my mortar lines, and the upper layer that is pigmented now becomes the stone colors and tones. The final tool is a brush. You'll notice walls when they're mortared, the mortar goes over the edges of the stones. We want to brush out our dust and then also get the mortar lines smooth.
The final look is stone. As you know, Jeff, we're not laying tile, which is a perfect fit. Quarried stone in its natural state is naturally chipped and aged, and so what our certified artisans at Decopierre will create for the homeowner a natural stone finish.
When finished, the Decopierre not only looks great, but is durable, mold resistant, and will even add structural rigidity to the surfaces it covers.
Decopierre isn't available in all areas yet, but it's still growing and looking for dealers. If you'd like more information, visit our website at yourhouseandhome.tv and click on the Decopierre link.